Come and take one home.
Oh my days!
Oh, that's so cute.
Hello, the dog. Meow. 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 Look at you. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Wow, 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 wow.
Oh my god, I freaking.
So, lovely dinner, guys. This is great. I got...
What do you say?
Thank you.
First grab it. There you go, bud.
Okay, so I'm starting to think that he might be over Peppa Pig. I'm not afraid, so let's give it a try. Are you ready? Okay, alright, but he doesn't like water. Oh, okay.
B. Can you say hi? Cute. Shower time. Just plop her little ass up here. As your good girl. Ready to go. Gotta put the right water pressure and temperature. So sexy. She has her feathers ready. Come on. Good girl. And here she goes. That's my girl. That's you. Pretty sure she likes the shower as much as I do. All done. Then put her on her perch and she dries.
Said you had to get your laundry clean. Didn't want no one to hold you. What does that mean? And you said, ain't nothing gonna break my stride. Nobody gonna slow.
You got troubles, I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together and can see it through. 'Cause you've got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. If you don't wanna see me, did a full 180. Anyway, 'Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. Yeah, you're making me feel like maybe I am somebody.
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack. It's not.
Need some claw clippers.
Give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
I want to find out. Not fun. Okay? No. Oh my God. What the fuck? Shut the fuck up.
Well, she was very pretty.
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine, really. How are you?
Pretty bird.
Yes, you are a very pretty bird. But let's get.
I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to on these lonely nights. I love you, baby, trust in me.
Guys, look, I don't see much of the toothpick coming out, so best move, push it all the way in.
Can you say hello? Hello. Oh, thank you very much. Now, Corbell does a pretty cool sound. She can make the sound of a car alarm. Can you do that?
Oh,
Good girl, Corbell. All right, you. Are we having fun? Can you say your name?
Corbell.
Thank you. And let's do a rooster. Say cock-a-doodle-doo. How about a cat? How about a dog? Can you howl?
oh
Good
my
girl. Well, you're really showing off.
goodness. Boy.
Corbell. Wow, Corbell. All right, Corbell, can you do some coughing? And it's supposed to be a sore throat.
Oh.
I think it's nice, dear. It's very tranquil.
I'm serious. Pick a real place.
Why are we talking about spending spring break anywhere other than this tiny pet?
If you're floofy and you know it, do a speak. If you're floofy and you know it, do a speak. If you're floofy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're floofy and you know it, do a speak.
Hey, boy, what's up?